Welcome back to video number 4 of our Ultimate Excel Beginner course. Today, I am going to show you 2 incredible features that will save you hours of manual typing: autofill and flash fill. By the end of this video, you will know how to make Excel do 90% of your typing work automatically. Let's get started. First, let's look at autofill. Imagine you need to type numbers from 1 to 100. Typing them one by one is a huge waste of time. Instead, type 1 in the first cell and 2 in the cell right below it. Now select both cells. Notice the tiny square at the bottom right corner of your selection? That is called the fill handle. Click and drag it down. Look at that! Excel automatically fills in the numbers for you. Autofill doesn't just work for numbers, it understands patterns. Type Monday in a cell. Grab the fill handle and drag it down. Excel instantly fills in Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and the rest of the week. You can do the exact same thing with months like January, February, or even full dates. Excel is smart enough to know what comes next. Now, let's talk about my absolute favorite feature, flash fill. Look at this list of full names. We have first names and last names together. What if you only want to extract the first names into a separate column? Doing this manually would take forever. Just type the first name John in the next column to show Excel the pattern. Now press the magic shortcut, Ctrl E. Wow! Excel automatically figures out the pattern and extracts the first names for everyone instantly. You can even use flash fill to create email addresses. Type john@company.com for the first person, press Ctrl E again, and look! Excel automatically creates custom professional email addresses for your entire list in 1 second. It feels like magic, but it's just the power of flash fill. That is it. In just minutes, you learned how to automate your typing using autofill and flash fill. Practice these tricks on your workbook to double your speed. In the next video, we will finally learn how to do math in Excel using formulas. Don't forget to download the practice sheet from the description. If you loved this video, please hit that like button and subscribe. See you in video number 5.